Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete all chats in Messenger. Actually, it's very easy and quick, but you need to watch this video until the end so you won't skip any important steps. So the first way how you can delete all chats in your Messenger application is first of all to click on your Messenger application, and then you need to scroll to the left a specific chat, for example this one. Then click on the More button right up here, and then find Delete button. Here it is. After that, click on the red button, delete, and after that, this chat will be deleted. But if you have a lot of chats, it will take you a lot of time to delete all of them. So the other ways how you can delete all your chats is to click on the three lines at the top left corner, then click on your profile name, and then you can log into another account. So it won't delete all chats from your account, from this account, but you won't see them if you log in into another one account. So actually, after that you can, if you want, you can click on the settings icon, and then here you can delete this specific account. So it will delete all information from this account, all chats, all images, and other things. So the last way how you can delete all chats in Messenger is to go to your home page, then tap and hold on your Messenger application like this, and then click on the Remove app. After that, click on the Delete app. So it will delete this application and you won't be able to open this application and you won't see any chats, any information from this application. So and that's all, and that's how to delete all chats in Messenger. If you found this video useful, leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.